Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you guys how to make 3D candy. So you're going to take two bowls and tape them together. You want to make sure you take the stickers off, and you're going to just tape it together. Everything here is affordable. All of this stuff is from Dollar Tree, guys. So you're just going to tape them together, line them up, tape them together. As you can see, that's how it looks when it's done. That's a smaller version of it. You can choose any color. I did pink, I did purple, blue. This right here is my friend. She's being silly. You're going to use some of this clear paper, and you're just going to wrap the clear paper on top of the bowls. You'll see what I mean. Just keep looking. Just going to like make it neat. And you're going to basically want it to look like that. And when you're done, just going to take two ribbons and tie the sides so it can look like a little, like a candy, like a 3D candy. I'm gonna just hush and let you guys watch. Once you finish putting the paper on, what you're gonna do is take some ribbon and put it on each side. So you're gonna do that, like put the ribbon around the paper and tie it. I tied it around like 3 times. So that's one side, and now I'm doing the other side. And when you're done, I like to tie where I tied a knot. I like to put a piece of tape there just for a little bit of reinforcement. And after I do that, it should look like that. And what I'm gonna do now is just curl the ribbon to make it look a little cutesy, you know. And that's pretty much it. You cut the ends of the plastic. You can cut it long or short. It doesn't matter. How you want it to look is up to you. And that's how it looks, guys. I'm gonna go back and actually cut the ends, but I did pink. And the next clip you're gonna see is me doing a purple one. So this is the next day. I started making some purple ones. So you're gonna take that clear paper again and, you know, wrap. This was a little challenging though, because this paper was shorter than the other one that I was using the other day. But you know, I just finessed it, and that's how it looked. And I'm gonna show you guys how it looked at the end, all of them stacked up. So it's like that, like 3D candy. I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, look at I rinsed it. I decided to put these little clips in just to show you guys my personality a little bit more. I am silly. I am quiet, but I am silly and goofy with the people I love. So I don't know if you guys want to see more of this side of me, but it, you know, it has to be natural. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Happy holidays. Remember to love more and judge less.